So this whole thing started because I was buttering my buns, and not metaphorically. I mean my actual buns. Probably, I think. Anyway, I dropped the butter knife, right? And it slid under the table So now I'm under here and my buns are getting cold. But nobody answers because apparently, I try to wiggle out, right? But every time I wiggle, the table wiggles, and every time the table wiggles, I wiggle harder. If the neighbors see this, I'm legally changing my name. Then I realize the butter is still in my hand. So I'm like, well, might as well finish buttering my buns while I'm down here. And I start spreading it, but the angle is weird. I'm sweating, the table's creaking, the buns are glistening. This is not the life I planned. Finally, I push with all my strength, like a heroic potato trying to escape the grocery bag, and boom. And that's how I learned 2 things. 1. Never butter your buns near low furniture. 2. And if you do, at least close the blinds.